right here in my place here in the plaza where the McDonald's is, and in those intersections they having problem because there's snow in there, so lots of cars going to be stuck. Especially those cars that made in Japan, Honda or Mazda. American car is okay, they are heavy, so they won't have problem with this kind of snow. Oh, what is that? Oh, see, someone is driving to go ahead with the red light, and the camera went on, it flashed, so probably we get a ticket, and then he can take it to court to make an exception to the rules, and whoever drives the car can get away with it. So he's running through the red light. Probably the judge can understand that if they take it to court. Anyway, I'll stop vlogging, and right here, look, all over the place, what you can see is snow, and the snow is stopped, so that's the good thing about it. Okay, I will end up my video. It's very cold, no good for my hand, so thanks for watching, and God bless you all always. Bye bye.